All right, ladies and gentlemen, the DIMO miner has finally arrived. So let's go ahead and open this miner and see what is inside. So let's go ahead and open this real quick. Okay, that I'm not going to show. Okay, we have a nice looking box, a DIMO box. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here we have our DIMO miner. That is DIMO AutoPi. This is how small this device is. So what else do we have here? I have a box. I'm assuming this is the OBD connector. Yes, it is. OBD cable. Let's get this out. Okay, so actually the other side. Okay. And we have a DIMO sticker, some alcohol wipes, and some Velcro. And here on the box we have instructions how to install a DIMO miner. So we'll go ahead and follow these instructions where it wants us to download the app first and proceed with the installation outside with the car. So let's go ahead and proceed with that. We are outside with my vehicle and I'm going to go ahead and install the DIMO miner to the car. The OBD port for this vehicle is right here, so we're going to go ahead and connect to this end of the cable right there, and we'll go from there. All right, that has been connected, and as we can see here, we're getting some blue lights. I'm probably going to Velcro my device somewhere here. Okay, but before we secure it here, I'm actually going to set it up first. So let's leave that there. First thing is first, right off the box, we have instructions how to download the DIMO app. We're going to go ahead and download the app so we can proceed to install our DIMO miner. Once we launch the app, we can see that we have some information about our DIMO miner, where we can connect our DIMO to tap into our car's data, get things such as claiming your vehicle ID, and getting the insight so we can get the most of our vehicle. So what we're going to do here is click on next. Once we click next, we're presented with this screen, where basically we can access the ecosystem and earn rewards. Hit next again, and now we can see here down at the bottom, click get started. So once we click get started, it's going to present us with the wallet connection. So either we can create a wallet or we can connect to the external wallet. What I'm going to do here is connect on the external wallet, and once we hit that, it's going to prompt us an option to connect the wallet. So we're going to click connect wallet, and now we have options of two wallets. We can either connect it to a Rainbow wallet or MetaMask wallet. For my instance, I'm going to be using MetaMask wallet, but in your case, you might be using some different wallet. You can go ahead and click on Wallet Connect and connect a different wallet provider so you can connect to your DIMO miner. So let's go ahead and click MetaMask, and to click on Open, hit Connect, and sign the wallet. So we can confirm signing into that wallet. So we're going to hit sign the transaction, and now hit OK. As we can see here, we are successfully added a wallet. So let's go ahead and click OK. And now we can go ahead and connect our car. So here you can click on connect the car, and we are presented with this screen where it's basically showing us what kind of data they will be collecting from our vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and click accept. And now it's going to go through a process of registering your address to your profile, verifying the wallet session, matching the wallet session. And as we can see here down at the bottom, it's going to see if it's going to ask us to check the Polygon network. So let's go ahead and click on next. Let's go ahead and click next again, and it's going to ask us to open a MetaMask wallet. As we can see here, this side would like to switch a network to Polygon. So let's go ahead and hit switch network and hit next again. Choose connection type. As we can see here, we have two options: use hardware, pair a DIMO device, which is exactly what I have, or use software. The software part is used for electric vehicles. So basically electric vehicles, you can just download the app and connect the car through the app. So in my case, I'm using the hardware device. So I'm going to go ahead and click hardware device. Hit OK, and it's going to open up my camera. What I'm going to do here is scan the barcode of the device. Once we scan the barcode, basically we're going to be presented with this. Make sure you're doing this somewhere outside where you're not in a garage or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click I am in a ventilated area, and then it's going to start searching for that device. It's asking to pair your Bluetooth. So make sure your Bluetooth is on and make sure you hit on pair. Once you hit on pair, it's going to connect to your DIMO miner. And as we see here, it says paired. So what we're going to do here is click next. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. Let's start transfer down the bottom, transferring ownership, proceed. The vehicle ID and the miner has successfully linked together. We can go ahead and hit proceed. Once we hit proceed, we can see here that you are connected. We are connected to our DIMO device. All you have to do now is hit OK, and basically it brings you up in the app. Everything went well, and now we can start earning some DIMO tokens. If we go ahead and look at the DIMO performance as of late, we can see that DIMO has been sitting at 12 cents as of late. So far, DIMO has reached 26 cents, about 26 cents back in April, which is not too far back. So it has fallen in price. So if you're wondering what kind of results I am getting from my DIMO rewards, I've been online for 2 weeks. And so far, I have earned 225 DIMO tokens. So if we pull up a calculator, we can see basically that is roughly about $30 for the 2 weeks. So do I believe we can reach 26 cents and beyond in the future? Yes, I do actually. And that's exactly why I bought this DIMO device. And as we can see here, they have dropped the price of the DIMO miner. It's currently sitting at $299. So it's a fair price for a device that can pay you some passive income every week. That does not mean that I'm telling you to get a DIMO miner. You need to do your own research. You need to conclude, hey, is this device good for me? Is it something that I'm interested in? Is it something that's worth investing? Do your own research, see if it's something for you, and go from there. I am going to be leaving a link down in the description. So if you're going to get a device, my link will basically give you 50 DIMO tokens for free by using my referral code. That concludes this quick video on how to set up your DIMO device, how to pair it, how to have everything connected, and start earning some passive income in DIMO tokens. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the content, as we're going to be coming out with more videos on DIMO, how we're performing, and more crypto projects in the future.